Hi, this is attorney Gary Austin back to answer your questions about family law, divorces, child custody, and other matters related to family law. So today I want to talk about something that's a little bit more involved, basically gets to the heart of a family law matter because much of what I do is going into court and presenting on behalf of my clients, trying to convince a judge of their position. I have what I call the three C's. One is confidence, the other credibility, and clarity. Clarity and credibility go together because they lead to confidence, and a very big part of clarity is evidence. So today I'm talking about evidence. And just yesterday, I was in court on a case. A contested custody case has been going on for over 10 years. The opposing side had threatened us with a move away. Basically, custody is going to be changed and the child's going to be sent out of state with the other parent. Well, we have been going back and forth for a while. And then as we get to court, things start to shift in our favor simply because my client had some information that directly showed the other parent was not acting in the best interest of the child. In fact, there was a photograph that came from the child of the other parent with marijuana driving in a vehicle, something that it could be a criminal offense of child endangerment, but it's certainly not in the best interest of the child. And when I presented this information to the opposing attorney, the tone of the case shifted completely because now we had something that clearly showed other parent not acting in child's best interest. The move away immediately went away. We were able to get a condition that mother would have to do, and it was a mother in this case, that parent would have to, in fact, allow the child the discretion to determine whether or not visits were occurring. The child was not a young child, not tender years, was about 11 years old, but this evidence came and it was so clear and it changed the focus of the case. So when you're thinking about when you go to court, it is not, I won't say deluge or overwhelm the court with evidence, but those clear pieces of evidence that can really show whether someone is acting in the child's best interest, whether there's domestic violence, whether in fact the assets should be divided, whether monies were taken, they become so crucial because we are all human beings. And what we see goes a long way in determining the outcomes of cases like this. That's just one example of what I see time in, time out, is having evidence that is clear, that is focused, and that gives someone, a judge in particular, as well as another party or attorney, a sense of confidence of, I can make a decision based on this. Now, if you have a case where you're looking for some professional help and you need a sense of how evidence should be presented and how it can help open your case up to be more successful for your children or in your divorce, please feel free, reach out, and let's see if we can work together.